Hi, it's Martin Bailey again from Word of Mouth Finance. Today I'd like to talk to you again on the subject of it's your money. You've worked hard for it, so I'd like to be able to save you more wherever possible. And today I want to talk to you about why you should always use a mortgage broker when you're looking for finance or to refinance, buy a property, whatever it is. And I've got 3 points for you. First of all, best interest duty. You might not be aware of this, but mortgage brokers are legally obliged to operate in your best interest as a client. But get this, lenders and banks are not obligated to do this. Let me say that again. As a mortgage broker, I am obligated to look to your best interests to find the right sort of loan, but the bank isn't. They're only obligated to look after their own interests. Incredible. The second one, products. You know, a bank may have access to 100 different lending solutions and products for you. Now, me as a mortgage broker, I'm actually accredited with 45 different lenders, and that means that I have access to roughly 4,500 different lending products. So which would you rather go to? Someone who's got access to 4,500 or just 100? Where do you think the best deal's going to come from? Mortgage broker. Lastly, policies. If you go to your bank or lender and they turn you down, 9 times out of 10 it isn't because of you, it's because of the policies they have in place. Let me give you an example. Some lenders won't lend to somebody who's self-employed. They just won't deal with them. It's outside of their policies. Another policy may well be, well, if it's outside of a metropolitan zone, we don't want to lend to people who are buying property outside of that zone. A third one might be, it's more than 2 acres. We don't lend to people who want to buy more than 2 acres. And the final one, the difficult one, is you remember that mobile phone contract that you missed one payment on 4 years ago, not your own fault. Well, that's on your credit history. And some lenders will look at that and say, too much of a risk, we don't want to deal with that person. And what I do as a mortgage broker is, I'll look at all these different lenders and present you with 3 options, but also I'll listen to what it is, your history, and what it is you want to achieve, so that I know which lenders to go to, saving you time. So my name is Martin Bailey. This is why you should use a mortgage broker. I'm from Word of Mouth Finance, and again I'm talking about it's your money. It belongs to you. Keep it in your pocket.